E from MarketWizards.com and eminingwizard.com at 11 o'clock on Friday, 26th of June, 2020. Mining traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. And we're going to take a quick look at a couple of ideas. This is our yearly. We know that we've stalled up here to above this 3,100. Today we said potential target if we can get by the 82s to 85s, and potential target 92 to 93. So far, and that's based a lot on a chart like this, among other things. And this is our yearly look, and we can see that so far we have stalled by last year's high. Now we're coming back, and we're still inside this box, this 29.5 to 92s up here. So all we know is on this scale, if we take out yesterday's low, we are still continuing to come downside. And this is our support low on a daily bar basis right here. And step by step, we need to understand the rotations for all the different swings. And this is an important chart. NASDAQ, important chart. They're testing significant area of support themselves right now. Right? Got to be this blue box right here. We've been in that range. Break this down, then you open the door to this box. So important test right now for both NASDAQ and E-mini. And this is one of the ideas. Again, go to our website, and I've tried to put some ideas there to help traders understand some of the things that are important to us. And in my opinion, this is one of the biggies. Your price, I call it PPTPAR, and odds and probability. Your price, your pattern, your timing, your psychology, anticipating, and then reacting. So a reminder, go to the website and you get all these ideas that I try to put out there and share with traders to show you things that I believe are important. And we can never assume anything. We have assumed support, assumed resistance, and that's theoretical and conceptual. But the actual movement of the market is the final arbiter. You have to be able to be defensive. You have to take stops when you're wrong. If you cannot take a stop out, don't play this game. You'll kill your account in one day. Big idea right here. And so learn to look at all of these frames. And I'm kind of wrapping up our session. Today's the last day of the session. And what I'm trying to do is review some of the keys, the things that we look at, and the ideas and why they're important, and why sometimes things will work and other times there's no reason. You may find out later why, but you don't argue. You go, okay, it's like your wife. I don't argue with my wife. Okay, hon, you're right. I learned a long time ago, if I want to have a happy life with my wife, I'm not arguing with her. I never argue with her. The old days, you'd pick a fight over anything. Now, what's for dinner? Okay, fine. You're cooking. Good. I'll take it. I don't argue. And I don't argue with the market, and I certainly don't argue with people on Twitter anymore. It's not worth it. Learn to enjoy your life. Ernie Roseman said it best, be a lover of the market, not a fighter.